Now that was a cop. And if it wasn't for this radar detector, I would have been in trouble. I hope you can kind of see it still. He's got his radar on and KA band. I was coming, getting on the highway. Typically I gun it. And again, had I gunned it, I would have gotten a ticket. Because when you do gun it, you definitely go over the speed limit. I think he's messing with me, this cop. We gotta get behind the truck. We're gonna wait for that guy to get a ticket. This guy right there. Where is this cop? Where is this cop? I think he's standing right there waiting for us. See, that cop waited for me, hoping that I would speed up and get a ticket. Sorry, buddy, not today. If you want to avoid tickets, get a radar detector. It's not 100% foolproof, but I run it with Waze, and it works well. Did I make my car worse? Yes and no. I made it better by adding horsepower. I made it worse by decreasing the driving enjoyment. I do not enjoy driving this car on the highway anymore. I do enjoy driving it on the street. When you can get on it, you can hear the verbals. But when I do drive it on the highway, you hear this. You feel like you're on an airplane, a very loud airplane, and there's no way to turn it off. So my way of fixing it is going to be by replacing it, and I've got something cool planned, so stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching. In case you're wondering, I am getting back from New Jersey Motorsport Sport Racetrack, where I spent a day racing my M3. So thank you once again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.